In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to identify the font from inside of an image. You will be able to do this with almost 90% accuracy, and the tool that we're going to be using for this tutorial is going to be absolutely free. Now, for example, let's say I want to identify the font that is used in this image. So what I can do is I can open up ChatGPT, and yes, we're going to be using ChatGPT for this tutorial. So if you don't already have an account, make sure to create one. Once you're here, just click on this plus icon and you'll be shown the option to add photos and files. Select this image. Then you're going to be typing in the prompt. Please identify the font used in this image. And let's see what it generates. So now ChatGPT is thinking, let's just wait to see what it generates. So now you can see that it has generated the result, and what it says is that the font that is used in this image is most likely Lobster. So let's go ahead and check out what Lobster looks like just to confirm. And this is what Lobster looks like, and it seems to be the case that it is quite a close match, or this could actually be the font that is used in this tutorial. Now there's one thing that you need to keep in mind. Now ChatGPT itself says that it can identify an image like a common font that is used with almost 100% accuracy. But if it is like a lesser known custom font, then it will give you the closest possible matches, but not the exact font. Also, if you're trying to find out the fonts using this method, then make sure that you upload a clear image, because if you upload like a blurry image or something, then the accuracy of the prediction drops significantly. Okay, so that was a tutorial on how to identify a font from an image inside of ChatGPT. If you found this video to be helpful, then make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.